Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's DIY video, we're going to take this old Kramer KS400 and we're going to custom hand paint it with acrylic paints. Now the inspiration came after going to an art festival here in town and seeing a couple of guitars that were displayed with custom hand painted artwork. So let's just go ahead and take this guitar to my workstation and get started. So this is the guitar that we're going to be painting. Now I know you're wondering about the hardware. Don't worry, I was just testing out different paint and eventually I decided to go with a certain type of white, which is this one here, which is made by Plade. Now it's time to remove the hardware. Because it'll take so long to remove each screw, let's do a little bit of movie magic. Voila! Now we can finish painting this thing. Let's take out the jack. And I know there's a couple of holes and scuffs here and there, but it's fine. I'm just gonna paint over it. It's no big deal. Now I get it. A professional would sand it down completely, maybe fill in the holes with some Bondo, but we're just keeping it as simple as possible. So for now, we're just gonna paint the whole guitar white. So now I'm gonna paint the sides of the guitar. I'm thinking of using the white as a primer and maybe just add a whole different color. Now I was thinking of using this flowery stencil, but it just won't stick. Maybe some mandala style painting or some type of pattern like this one, or even these party confetti type of stencils. So after giving it some thought, I decided to go with a mandala style of design. So what I'm doing here is I am outlining the edges of the guitar, and I'm debating whether to paint a black line and add dots to it, or just do a row of dots based on a specific color. So I decided to paint the top side of the guitar with this cobalt acrylic paint. It really stands out with the colors I'm gonna use. So before adding a line or a row of dots, I'm gonna go with this paint first. I recommend this 3/4 19mm brush for the edges, just to give it that nice sharper look. And now presenting the finished top part. So I'm going to use this neon paint that I just showed you, along with these sticks for the mandala painting. But before that, I'm going to finish this black line that's going to go all along the edge of the guitar. And man, it is time consuming. So I'm trying my best here to really have a straight line. And once this line is completed, I'm gonna add the orange neon dots in the middle of the black line. Man, these sharp turns really get you. I thought I was gonna mess up right here. So now I'm adding the orange dots using Torrid Orange by Deco Art. So all I have to do is dip this stick into the paint and use it as a stamp. And now I'm going to use Neon Green by Nicole's Craft Studio. I decided to go along the routed part of the guitar and maybe just get a see-through pick guard, so that way I have more space to add more of these colorful dots. So now I decided to use a neon yellow along the sides. And now I'm using a royal purple. And now some neon red, which for some reason looks kind of pinkish, but it's not. It is a neon red. And some black. Just trying to make this look as festive and stage friendly as possible. And now I'm going to use this acrylic glitter paint, so that way when it's under certain lights or a black light, the colors really shine. I know this is going to look really cool on stage when performing live. Okay guys, so after working on this guitar for a couple of days, this is what I have so far. So far I like the way it looks. What do you guys think? Should I go ahead and leave it as is and just add some sort of lacquer? Or should I continue this mandala artwork on the sides and back? Comment below your thoughts. This is how it'll look with the guitar neck. Well, I think it's gonna look pretty cool. I think so. Should I leave the headstock black? Or should I continue with the mandala design on the headstock? It has room for 2 singles and a humbucker. So I might just end up doing 2 single coil hot rails, maybe a DiMarzio Super Distortion. I don't know. I do want to add maybe an updated version of the tremolo bridge. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit like, and if you're new here, subscribe and rock that notification bell to be up to date on future videos on gear, music, lessons, guitar blogs, etc. And I'll see you guys on the next one.